and the fox will eat the rabbit. Lion will eat the fox. When the lion goes down to the soil, it will help the new plant to grow. Thank you. Hello everybody, my name is Amara. This is our project Green Wonders. I'm going to talk about the life cycle on a plant. The seed will go on the soil. The seed will turn to seedling and the seed will turn to sprout. And it will become into a flower plant. And this is the tree orange. This is the life cycle of a plant.